Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, stay safe and fine. Today, I am going to uh, tell you something very important, and that is whistle away. Whistle away. If you have some distress, some difficulties, just let it go. Let go. Let go. And so that is called whistle away. Remember, some of you, those who have seen the earlier video of this same lesson, you'll remember and understand better. So, second time I am telling you this, explaining, and then we will do the exercises. Since we have enough time, all those who have done fine enough, all those who have not, please follow this. Okay, so whistle away. Now, what is this whistle? Taking out the sound from the mouth like this. There are varieties of whistling, so it is known as versatile. Versatile means different ways, so many ways, so many forms. It's not one form, but there are hundreds and hundreds of types of whistling. Some sharp noise taking out from our mouth in different form is known as whistling, and this is for different purposes. So it is used for communication. Communication means pass information. This is also a whistling. That means, what is it? What do you mean by this? Keep silent, keep quiet. Just keep attention. Draw attention. And when you are happy, you start singing. There is a command, order. You remember, whistles are used in the games to control. You might have seen the traffic police using the whistle. You might have seen people singing, whistling. Not only that, people, you see in your text, there are people making noise through various means, sharp noise that's taking out. Okay, there are very many ways of taking out sound from the mouth for different purposes. That is what is this lesson is telling us. But at the end, this lesson tells, my dear students, do everything. Whistle away. When you whistle away, you take out your distress and be happy. Make others happy. Do good to others and make them happy. And whistling is one of the ways. One of the ways. That is what. Here I read. Whistle away. Whistle away, my merry boy. Merry boy means happy boy. With happy face and heart of joy. If it will help you to be strong. If it makes you strong, whistle away. I remember some places, some people, when they are afraid, when they are in the dark, or otherwise there is light, and you know that certain place some ghosts are coming, and you are walking through that, you have to cross that path, and nobody is there, you are alone. So when you go, you don't simply quietly you pass, make some noise, so that you take away the attention of fear in your mind, and you start whistling or making some noise, singing, humming or whistling, and so that you don't listen any sound that is made by the ghost there. So whistle away, draw attention from there, and then change the direction of your attention. That is called, so shift the attention. so that you pass by. And then nothing happens. Nothing happens absolutely. So he said, if it makes you strong, whistle away, no problem. Whistle a tune when things go wrong. When things are not going on, just whistle and see, you will have some solace, some idea will come out. And whistle lightens it for you. If ever your task is hard to do, whether it be sowing the seed, hoeing the corns, or pulling weeds, gathering fruits, or racking hay, or driving cows, whistle away. All these are the difficult tasks. If the hard task you are doing, hard job, manual labor you are doing, either you are sowing the seed or hoeing the corn, taking out the corn from the stalk, or pulling out the weeds. Weeds means what? Unwanted grasses that grow in between the crops, paddy or any other crops that you have grown in between grass, wild grass. They are known as weeds. Gathering fruits, or you are plucking fruits or harvesting, whistle. Racking hay, or you are collecting the hay, the straw, or driving cows, taking the cows away for grazing, or whistle away. These are the difficult tasks that if you whistle away, it lightens. Whistle a tune if you can't sing. If you don't know how to sing, if you have the not a good tune, you cannot take out, you cannot sing, you cannot sing to the pitch, the proper pitch and proper rhythm, and you have got the no proper tuning, then just whistle, just whistle. And that should seem the next best thing. That is the next best thing you can do. That you can do, perhaps it will cheer. This will cheer. It will make you happy. The hearts of some who chance to hear. That means by chance they come to hear. Those who can't sing, they also will be able to understand, and then they also will make some noise by whistling. Better to whistle than to pout. Pout meaning is push one's lower lips and getting angry. That is pout. And scold or fret. No one can doubt whether you are angry, whether you are having bad temper, and then or you are scolding somebody. Nobody will understand. Just whistle away. So keep a merry heart, my lad. So always make yourself happy, and even if you are in sorrow, let nobody knows. Hide yourself, and others will think that you are happy, but you are not exactly. So that keeps others also. Keep happy, be happy, my boy, he says, and thus make others people glad. Others also, you can other people glad. So do all good things you can each day, and as you toil, whistle away. And when you work, when you labor, whistle away, so that you feel relaxed and do it. In all your actions, that means in all your actions, when you are happy, when you are sad, when you are in difficulties, when others are, just whistle away. When you are doing the hard work, you just whistle away. Take things lightly, happily you do things, and then it will be done. That is the meaning of this poem is. So, hope you have understood something. Okay? Read and try to learn this stanza, first stanza, from whistle away, my merry boy, to or driving cows, whistle away. Till here you should learn. Both the poems, previous poem also, this poem also, by heart you should know. How you learn? Learning is 2 lines each. Learn 2 line is 2 line is 2 line is 2 line is. At the end, 4 line is 4 line is. Then at the end, last is the everything. So this is the way of learning. Okay. Some noise is coming from outside. Okay. Bye.